Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll share top 3 hacks to improve the look of your application, website, or even your presentation. So if that's something that you are interested to know more, please join me.
The first hack is use colors proportionately. So if there are multiple colors you are planning to use on your product, website, or presentation, ensure that you pick one color as your primary color and use that color 60% on the overall screen. Choose another color as your secondary color and do not use the secondary color for more than 30% of the overall screen. And if you choose to use more than 2 colors, group all of those additional colors as your third set of colors, and ensure that those colors are not used more than 10%. So this could be some lines or small design related image shapes and all of those. So if you follow this 60-30-10 rule, it will do magic to your the look of the page. The second hack is whenever you are using images and text together, ensure that you pick the colors from the images on the text. So if you see on the first illustration, just black text is used to display the price. Here, the color is being picked from the image itself and it stands out. The last hack is whenever you are using lengthy text on the product page, various screens, website, or presentation, ensure that you do not use full black color text. So if you see here, this is full black. It is heavy on the eye, whereas this is lighter gray, toned gray, and it feels a lot easier to read this versus this one.
I hope you found these hacks helpful. Do apply them and let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching this video and I shall see you on my next video. Bye.